All right, welcome back everybody. So once upon a time, I got the eBay serpentine belt guard. That didn't work out so well. So I went ahead and got this VTT one. Now normally I hate anything by VTT, but this is on FCPEuro, and if this thing breaks, it's covered. It's like the only one that you can get on FCPEuro that's covered. All right, let's see how this belt looks because I need to make sure I get the pattern correct. Because the first Google image is wrong, very wrong. So after that coolant line exploded, I'm a little worried about my serpentine belt guard slipping a little bit. I know it's more of an oil thing, but I'm not taking any risks with how much money I put into this motor. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap it out anyway. Good thing for me, I've already got everything taken apart. And while I'm in here, I'm just gonna do a full tune-up as well. Oil change, coolant, everything. Get my homemade breaker bar right here. Turn to the right.
There we go, you got it.
Yep. Release that tension just a little bit. Good to go. Now, the cool part about the FCP serpentine belt kit and all tensioners is that they actually have a pin. And my OEM tensioner didn't. So pretty happy about having the pin now. Yep. And that's how I'll hold it down so I can get that belt back on there.
Now you can do a serpentine belt or just use an old one.
I'm just gonna reuse it because this has got like 10,000 miles on it. It's got a lot of life.
So where are you installing the retainer?
Well, I gotta take off the pulley.
Oh, you're taking out the pulley and then you're putting it behind that.
Yeah.
I see. Use turn it through out the pulley now.
It's freaking stuck in there though. It's a freaking waterfall down here.
I know. Have fun bathing. Oh, it's still pissing out. All right, so we thought there was a leak on old Mickey Mouse here. Essentially, if you put these in incorrectly, they can leak. We winged it, it's fine. There's just a lot of drippage from there. It's caused this mess.
I'm about to put this in, but I also have the VTT crank bolt capture. This prevents the crank bolt from slipping out. These are the only things I will ever use by VTT.
Why do you not like VTT?
This is garbage, overpriced products with absolute zero support. Now my early subscribers will remember this video. I've done this job before using the eBay part. Yeah, don't use that. Use the VTT one. As much as it pains me to say that, use the VTT one. All right. See that?
Yep.
Oh man. I really came at this with the wrong angle.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Oh, this hurts.
Oh, I bet. Yeah, you do not look comfortable down there at all. His arms are bending the wrong way.
Oh.
So what exactly does this do again?
Prevents the serpentine belt from being sucked in, which is surprisingly a big problem for N54s. If oil or coolant gets on there, I have heard of someone who got coolant on there and the serpentine belt slipped off, got sucked right into the front main seal. There is still a chance, even if you have one of these guards, that it might get sucked into the front main seal.
But it lessened.
But this lessens the chance, and honestly, I'd much rather be safe, especially with how much money I put into this car. The old one used a 13mm bolt, and that was a lot easier. This, I'm trying to hand tighten so I can get that Allen key in there because there's not a lot of space.
That's probably big.
It's obnoxious. This is an obnoxious spot.
Alright, serpentine belt guard is on.
20-pound fee, baby. I'm gonna just have the crank bolt catcher on it like this. Make it easier to install. Because I have to get it right on with the freaking bolt. Alright, okay, you're fine.
Very good.
For a VTT product, it's looking pretty decent.
Nice and snug.
Yep.
There we go.
Okay.
It's all done!
Nope. We still got the radiator fan. It needs a second to charge. Yes, sir. 2 jumper cables.